Hi everyone, hope you all are well and good. So today we are going to discuss a topic in this short video that belongs to our class 10th NCERT biology syllabus, or we can say the science syllabus. It's the chapter called control and coordination. So within this chapter there is a term that is not directly written, but it is hidden in the chapter. It's called the hypothalamohypophysial axis. So most of you will say, sir, where do you get this term? So nothing special. So our entire body is controlled by our brain. So from which portion of the brain? So we know that our brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So from our forebrain, now one portion is there, one part is there. We know that thing is known as the supreme gland of our body, and the supreme gland is called hypothalamus, and hypothalamus controls a gland. It is known as the master gland. It calls the pituitary gland. So how hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland? This entire thing is known as hypothalamo-hypophysial axis, or the another name of pituitary is hypophysis. That is why. So now let me share few things. So you know that pituitary gland generally do all the work that the order given by the thalamus. So thalamus regulates the pituitary gland. So let me just explain this term to you, all of you. Look, hypothalamus have the supreme, it is a supreme power. It generally controls the pituitary gland. So pituitary gland has two parts. One is anterior pituitary, another one is posterior pituitary. So hypothalamus has the what I can say, it has the maximum control upon the posterior pituitary, direct control. But in case of anterior pituitary, there is a blood circulation system, and that is called a portal system. Let me say all the things to you. Hypothalamus has a kind of a neuron that secretes hormones, and that neurons are called nuclei, and that nuclei releases some signals, and that signals goes to the anterior pituitary, or that anterior pituitary is called the adenohypophysis. That anterior pituitary read those signals and release 5 types of hormones like corticotropic hormone, thyrotropic hormone, gonadotropic hormone, growth hormone, and lactotropic hormone. These are the 5 types of hormones. But in case of posterior pituitary, it gives the direct response or direct order. So from the posterior pituitary, no such portal circulation we can find there. And from the posterior pituitary, 2 hormones are released, that is oxytocin and vasopressin, or we can say that vasopressin is also known as ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone. So from this today's video, what we learned, that how pituitary gland